Okay, good morning all of you. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is national income. And the national income I am categorizing into two parts. One is the nation, another one is income. Nation consists of the people and income is revenue. Now if I am talking about the national income, it is nothing but the people's revenue. People's, that means which peoples? Definitely all the people exist in our country. So all the people of the country could be categorized into four income sources. Any people, if you finding their income source, that could be categorized into these four parts only. One is that land. Some of the people, they are having only land, they are not doing any service work or not doing any work outside. They are only having their property, ancestor property, as in the form of land. They are giving this land to other party as in the form of rent basis, and they are collecting every month or every year length or lease basis amount. So that is comes under the rent revenue. Labor, some of the people doing work, day-to-day work, wages revenue. Capital, some of the people having lots of money, they purchase shares of the companies, or as well it could be possible they have given to somebody to work and they are paying interest. So that capital in the form of interest revenue. And the enterprises, say like the people who started their own enterprise or own entrepreneurship and they are earning profit. So that four types of profit consisted of all the incomes in our country, and that all the people engaged in that four income only. Here you should not be confused. Here the labor wages, it's not means that only wages, it could be salary also included, or compensation of employees also included here only. Okay, now come here, the producer or firm uses those four factors of production for produces their goods and services. Goods and services for the production, they need land, labor, capital, enterprises. That four things is the factor of productions. Okay, by using of that four factor of production, producer paying this rent, wages, interest and profit. Now if they are paying to them indirectly, I can say that from where that producer getting that money? Definitely, what are the goods and services producer produced? By selling off that goods and services, that money earned by the producer, that should be distributed among them in the form of this revenue. Now see that example, selling price of the goods and services what the producer produced, that is 100 CR. Out of that 20 CR the producer used for the payment of rent. It might be possible, it is example as taken only. And 30 CR that is taken as in the form of wages, 10 CR for the payment of the interest, and the remaining 40 CR the producer keeping itself as in the form of profit. So the total amount, if you adding, it is 100 CR. Indirectly, this is the selling price of goods and services. So national income, I can say that it is a combination of all income I told. Indirectly all income, it is a combination of goods and services selling price. So now national income, market value of all goods and services produced by all firms in the country within domestic territory. Up to this I stopped here. Within domestic territory, if only the words up to here you should finish, no, it's words meaning that it is domestic income up to this. When as well as the income earned from the outside the country, that means that our land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship, if I am using outside, definitely outsiders, that means abroad, they are also paying some money to us, and that is also the income. And this income, if I am adding, this income comes under national income. So the national income consists of, I can say that domestic income plus net factor income from abroad. Domestic income plus NFIA, net factor income from abroad. So this is the national income concepts. I hope you understood.